Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. I will introduce myself. My name is Asep Fikri Hidayat and you can call me Asep. This time I will present a video about explain using a stethoscope. A stethoscope is a medical device. This is to use listen the heartbeat. How to use the stethoscope? Let's see this video.
What's in the stethoscope?
A stethoscope consists of earpieces, which are the part that goes to ear,
Tubing, which is a tube in the stethoscope. Diaphragm, which is this membrane for listening sounds. Bell, which is for listening to low-frequency sounds. How to use a stethoscope to check heart rate.
This to use a stethoscope to check your heart rate. 1. Choose a quiet place. 2. Prepare a set of stethoscope.
3. Position the patient by comfortably. 4. Use the bell to listen to the heartbeat. 5. Ask the patient to dress up so that the skin is not covered.
6. Put on earpieces to listen to the heartbeat.
7. Place a bell on the patient's chest and listen for his heartbeat.
A normal heart rate is 60 to 100 beats per minute.
If it exceeds 60 to 100 beats per minute, then it has a heart problem. Thank you for watching. See you next time.